Well guys, the view here is incredible. Check it out. Oh my god, it's amazing. The cliffs are so steep.
Oh, he's here. 2 seconds. Hello, so today's the last day in Nusa Penida and we're just relaxing in a very quiet and tranquil villa. As you can see, there's a lot of noise, there's lots of people working around, so it's a good thing that we're actually going out for the afternoon. So in our last day in Penida, we want to show you the east side of the island, which we haven't gone to yet, and you don't see it as publicized by other bloggers or websites, so we want to go and have a look to see what we find down that way. So we've got a driver here for the day, so let's go explore.
How you going?
Big truck on the phone.
Oh, that's okay.
You can I said let's go explore.
Ready to go? All
Ready
right.
to go.
Yeah.
How are you?
Oh, this truck.
Can you get heavy? Or wherever. There you go, Abby, having fun? Right guys, we're at a place called the Tree House. This is in Nusa Penida, and I asked everyone what is the name of the area. No one could tell me. I know it is near Atuh Beach, which is where we're going next. The boys fell asleep in the car again, so it's just me again. Elisa is with the boys and the driver. I'm going to come check it out. Hopefully they wake up soon. I'll go back up and we'll come down together. Okay. Let's go check it out. The view's amazing. So it looks like I've got to walk down some steps. The tree house looks like it's over this way. I've got to go down these stairs. Well guys, the view here is incredible. Check it out. Oh my god, it's amazing. The cliffs are so steep. Alright, we're going to keep heading over this way. Hello. This place is pretty incredible. You definitely need to come here. It's the treehouse near Atuh Beach. Definite must see. A bit easier to get to than Molenteng as well, so definitely worth a look. It is on the eastern side of the island. I've got to get back to the car, see if the kids are awake. Elisa might want to come and check this out as well. Alright, let's go. Kids now. Okay, guys, we sent Elisa to have a look and it started raining as soon as she went. She got to have a little peek. What do you think, Elisa?
Oh, it looked pretty amazing. I wish I would have made it down to the treehouse because it looked really stunning, but also a little bit dangerous with all the rain and the muddy steps, but yeah, really beautiful. So we just made it to Atuh Beach. Actually, that's a lie. Atuh Beach is all the way down there. It's about 1 kilometer from up there. But we're not going to actually walk down there because it's been raining, it's muddy. We're just going to get back in the car. But the views are actually amazing. The bay is actually really beautiful, and I think you can appreciate it as you actually start to drive down. I think that was the best point view. On this side, you got all the rock formations. All the little rocks are left. And you can see the tree houses down in the background. David made it all the way there, but I didn't, unfortunately. But I think this is probably about the same height that we are at the moment. So this is some of the things that you can see when you come to the eastern side of the island. Driving through, when we first started the drive, it was actually really beautiful. I think we appreciated the beauty a lot more than driving onto the other side of the island. The hills, the village. You could also see the seaweed farms on the ocean, which apparently are actually in danger at the moment because of the changed conditions in the water. We also drove through the fishing village, which was really cool because we're all just coming back with a catch of the day. Although you probably know we're vegetarian, but still that's the way of life here, so that was cool to observe. And I also got to see dragon fruit growing on the actual plant, which I had no idea came from a cactus, so that was also really cool. So lots of amazing things to discover on the island, so if you make it down this way, it'll be worth your while. So other than that, I hope you enjoy what we saw today in the last couple of days in Nusa Penida. Please join us for next week's episode. We're heading to the Gillies, which I think should be also really awesome. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Turn on the notifications bell to make sure that you get our new content, and give us a thumbs up if you like what you saw. Also, if you've got a spare second, say hello below. What did you think? Tell us. Goodbye.